Hello everyone, welcome back to Capricorn Tech Tuesday. So for today's video, we will be discussing schedule management in Autodesk Construction Cloud. So before starting with our video, let me introduce us that we are Capricorn Technologies, a Win Zero company, your digitalization and net zero partners. Okay, so what is Autodesk Construction Cloud? So Autodesk Construction Cloud is a cloud based tool which is used for project management, and it constitutes of these three products. Okay, so these three products are used during the different phases of the construction project, starting from the design phase. Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro is used for design collaboration and coordination between different teams, right? Then there is Autodesk Takeoff, which is used during the planning phase for quantity estimation. And then there is Autodesk Build, which is the project management tool and is used during the execution stage of the construction projects. Okay, then there is the another product, Autodesk Docs, which is actually the foundation tool for these three different tools, as it provides a common data environment where all the documents like project files, drawings, reports, etc., which you create in different phases of your projects, are stored in this common data environment provided by Autodesk Docs. Then there is insight and administration tools as well, which provides you dashboards and at project level as well as at the organization level, dashboards related to your project quality and safety statements, risk statements, right? So all that in the form of dashboards is presented in the insight tools, right? So for today, we will be discussing a schedule management tool, which is part of Autodesk Build tool. Okay. Okay. So before starting, what data says is that project delays in construction occurs because of the poor planning, right? There comes up many unforeseen schedule disruptions, and it becomes very difficult for project manager to actually manage the impacts of these schedule disruptions, and also to convey to different project teams about these updations which have come up in the schedule, right? So because of these 66% of the general contractors in our industries are already carrying the added cost for this overtime shifts which this schedule slippage comes up with. And even 50% of them needing to extend the project end date. We are exceeding the project end date because of these schedule disruptions. So what you must be currently practicing is you must be updating the schedule changes according to the disruption. Then you are publishing it as a PDF, and then you are emailing this PDF to your entire team, right? So this is a very extensive process which is currently practiced by the industry. What a centralized project schedule, which is offered by Autodesk Construction Cloud, help us in this is, so this project schedule, if we put it centralized, it will help in schedule surfacing. Okay, so all your schedules which you are creating in your construction project management softwares like Primavera and Power Projects or even MSP, you can bring it to this centralized platform. Then you can share this schedule instantly. Since it's on a cloud, everyone will have the updated schedule instantly. Okay, then you can even connect your schedule to entire project. All your project information will be on that cloud platform, like all the files you are sharing, all the issues you are creating in the project, all the RFIs which are raised in the project are there in this cloud platform and can be linked to the schedule. Okay, for the better information. Then you can even It helps in looking for the schedule activity very quickly through filters we have in the tool. We can quickly identify the activity we are looking for. And then there is you can access your schedule from anywhere. So we have not only through cloud web-based platform you can access, even we have the mobile application plan grid for the Autodesk Construction Cloud, which you can use to access your schedule anywhere when you are on the field, right? You have the updated information about the schedules, and you can even connect your schedule and cost statements. Okay, so let's just look into the product. Okay, so you see here, this is the Autodesk Construction Cloud interface, and we are right now in this particular project, Seaport Civic Center. Okay, so let me just go to the schedule tool. So these are the different tools of which are constitutes in the build tool. So let's go to the schedule tool. So, firstly, you will be creating your schedules in your authoring tools like MSP or P6, and then you will be bringing it here into the cloud. Okay, so this constitute all the schedules which are uploaded in the project. Okay, so let me just open one of the schedule. Okay, so it will here depict the schedule in the form of list as well as in the form of Gantt chart view as you view in your authoring tools like P6 or MSP. So you can look into the all the activities here, and even you can choose to show up only those columns which you wish to see. You don't want to see if you want to see the predecessor or successor. Likewise, you can adjust your view settings. Then there is even you can adjust your view settings for this Gantt chart view here. But let's say you want to don't want to see the critical path, you want to see all activities, so you can do that. You can don't want to see dependencies, you want to see labor resources, all that changes you can make to Gantt chart view. Then there is this filter and search options which you can use to see only those particular activities, and it can even help you identify the activities you are looking for really quickly. So see, let's say you want to see only the activities which you have to which we need to be executed in this particular week. So you can add the start date and end date, and it will only show the activities which have to be covered in this week. So in this way you can filter your views here in this platform. This was about viewing. Then there is a suggesting mode in this platform. So what it helps is, let's say there is a delay occurring in this particular activity, so you can suggest this update which is required to this particular activity, and you can even highlight that it may have a cost impact. Okay, so linking all the information, you can put that here to this particular activity. And if you click on this activity, it will give you details, all details about that activities, and you can even comment down referring to that particular person about that particular activity information you want to share. You can even reference your files or photos or issues which you have uploaded across the project to the activities. Okay, so this was about suggesting, right? And then the updation, whichever updations to these activity will take place in the authoring tools. Okay, you can only suggest these updations here, and then they will go to the manager for reviewing of that updations. Okay, so if I submit this update which is required, it will go to the manager, and after only he approves it, that suggestions can be updated in the authoring tool. Okay, then that update will be made here, and it will sync to the cloud automatically actually. And people will can then compare the updated version with the previous versions. Okay, so let's say there are two versions of this particular schedule which is uploaded, so you can anytime compare what changes have been made compared to the previous version. Okay, So this is how the schedule tool in Autodesk Construction Cloud works. Thank you so much, everyone.